Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to summarize the article that we published in the HPC Today magazine about cannabis sativa stem cells to nourish the skin microbiota. Our skin is able to produce neurotransmitters that can reach our brain and therefore to some extent modulate our state of mind, but also our state of mind can modify how we look like and how we are perceived externally. Everybody knows that if you feel good, you look good. One of these neurotransmitters is oxytocin that activates certain brain pleasure areas from many different stimuli, but one of them is very interesting because the example of, we can see here in this image, a mother kissing the baby child automatically by the simple touch, loving touch in this case. This oxytocin triggers the activation of specific brain areas. And nowadays, we also know that the bacteria, depending on how they are, if they are more stressed or more relaxed, they can modulate the condition of our skin by producing an in situ postbiotic, meaning metabolic byproducts from these bacteria that modulate the behavior of keratinocytes and sensory neurons present in our skin. If the bacteria are stressed, the postbiotic will be harmful, but if they are less stressed, let's say in a way happier, the postbiotic will be healing, beneficious, and the message from the skin to the brain will be a positive message. So we developed a product from cannabis sativa stem cells, as I said in the introduction, that we can modulate their metabolic behavior. So these stem cells, instead of producing the potentially controversial cannabinoids, they are producing short-chain fatty acids, polyphenols, and terpenes. And we have seen that the callus lysate from these stem cells is able to activate the microbiota to produce a positive postbiotic that will activate the increase in the production of oxytocin by both the keratinocytes and the sensory neurons. In vivo, we also measured, among other parameters, the response from topical application by magnetic resonance imaging, what brain areas had been activated, and if those areas could be those corresponding to the oxytocin activated regions. And the results were really very interesting. As soon as 10 minutes after the first application of the cream with 2% of the cannabis callus lysate, the regions that were activated correspond to short-term oxytocin activation versus placebo, and this continued through the treatment of 28 days with daily application. So we really could check that the product has a real oxytocin-like effect. In a summary, the product stimulates positively the skin microbiota, activates the brain pleasure areas, oxytocin-like, and we can talk about emotional cosmetics because furthermore, the product reduces the wrinkles, hydrates, and increases the skin radiance. Thank you very much. I hope you like this video introduction to the article. If you have any further question, contact us and we'll be happy to get back to you.